चलिए तो बात करेंगे टॉपिक की। मैंने आप लोगों को कल टॉपिक दिया था इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। बहुत ही सिंपल टॉपिक है और जैसे कि आपको पता है इंग्लिश इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट लैंग्वेज एंड आल्सो international language. So you have to speak each and every point about English language, what is importance and what is uses of English language. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So let's start from girl side. Okay, so you have to speak.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shweta Tomar. Today I would like to speak over the English education. English is a very important language because as we all know that now our time our India is also developing country, and with India our India's people also should be developed, and English language is a communicable language. Because of this language we express our emotion, we express our feelings, and it is for our talkings. And now a time English is very important for all of us because now a time we observe many of cities there is a lots of people, majority of people who are speak English day to day life. So it is also for their beneficial. And from my opinion, now time we are giving this type of interview or we get a type of job, so English is very important for all of us. Thank you.
Well done. बहुत बढ़िया। नेक्स्ट आप ज्योति, चलिए।
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jyoti Kaurav. So today I am talking about importance of English language. English language is very important for us because of upcoming time is full of technology and all work is going on online. Something is very difficult to found in Hindi. English is also known as the international communication language. It is not only the spoken language but also a officially language of 53 countries. English is the second most spoken language of the world. English as we all know that in our India there are different state and they have different language, and we don't know every language. If we are going outside from our house and we don't know their state language, then we can talk in English with anybody. Thank you.
Well done. Very well. Okay, next Khushi, please speak out.
Myself Khushi Mishra. So today our topic is importance of English language. English language is very important. By English we can get the job easily, and also English language is using at the borders also, and like we can say for the businesses also English is only we need to use. And when we go to the foreign countries, so when we don't know their mother tongue, so we can communicate them in English, so it is easy for us to communicate when we know the English language. Thank you.
Well done. Please clap for her. Next one, Pari, Papa ki Pari, speak out.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Parisani. Today I am talking about importance of English. As we know that English is an international language, so English plays an important role in our daily lives, and we can use English in our modern world because in modern world our technology is a growth, and we can also use English in business, and the English is used in both professional and personal life. Thank you.
Well done. Well tried. And next Salni, you have to speak now.
Good evening, everyone. So my name is Shalini Sharma. So today I am speak about of the.
I'm going to speak.
I am going to speak about of the English language, importance of English language. So in English language, what is a very important role of our life English language. Without English language, in nowadays people not survive one place to another. Because English language is a basic language in every country and every state. So nowadays our country English language is very important for and English language also the second higher language in a world, and it also the international language, and English language is a communicative language. So in my point of view, English language is very important for our life progress.
Well done,
Thank
Shalini.
you.
Great.